Hello? Excuse me. Who are you? Why are you in my house?
Oh, hello. I'm really sorry. My name is Linda. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Linda. Now I know your name, but you haven't told me why you are here.
Oh, right. I am Linda, Agatha's cousin. Don't you remember me?
Agatha's cousin, Linda. Oh, right. Agatha had a cousin called Linda, but we haven't met before. I don't remember we have met before. Am I wrong?
It was many years ago. When I was a child, I went to my grandmother's birthday. You don't remember because it was like 20 years ago. I understand.
Yeah, I see. Wait a minute. Are you that little girl who was with Joanna?
Yes, Joanna is my mother. That day, she told me we had to go to that party to see the family.
I can't believe it. But look how you've grown. It's unbelievable. By the way, how's your mother? I haven't seen her since that day. Is she okay?
Unfortunately, she died many years ago, but it's fine. She had a good life.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. But she was an excellent woman. I remember she brought some cookies that day.
Yeah, her cookies were the best. She had this secret recipe.
Oh, I would die to try one of those cookies again. They were so delicious, but she's not with us anymore.
Well, she taught me how to do them. If you want, I can make some cookies for you.
Oh, really? No, of course not. How do you think I'm going to let our guest cook?
Well, that could be okay then, because I am not your guest. Actually, I am working here now.
Are you kidding? I mean, I think it's fantastic, but Agatha didn't tell me anything.
Your wife must have forgotten to tell you, but yeah, I'm the new housekeeper.
I can't believe it. Agatha. She must be thinking about her trip. Every year she travels to Paris. You know, she's a businesswoman. She has meetings there. Last year I went with her. It was so boring. I wanted to come back immediately.
I see. It must be beautiful to know different countries. Sounds interesting.
Well, once you get used to it, you get bored. I mean, traveling is also tiring. Don't tell me you never traveled out of this country to Europe, Asia, Africa.
No, sir. I mean, I had the chance to travel to Spain to work, but I couldn't do it.
Oh, but you should do it. Traveling is one of the most amazing experiences in life.
Yes, I suppose. The thing is that I don't have money to travel. I'm poor.
Oh, I see. But we can go someday. I mean, Agatha, you, and me.
And my daughter. Yes, I have a daughter. She's about to start school.
Oh, that's fantastic. We could travel together someday as a family. I want to meet your daughter.
Yes, maybe some other time. Now I have a lot of things to do. I am really sorry, sir.
Why do you call me sir? Call me by my name. I am Charles. You can tell me Charlie. And I really like talking to you. You know, Agatha and I don't talk much. I work in the company all day, and she also goes to work. We never talk.
Yeah, I suppose. But you are a great team. You have created many businesses together, and you are successful now. You have money, houses, cars. I mean, I'm sorry.
No, no, that's okay. Don't be sorry. What you said was right, Linda. We have made a lot of money together. We worked hard, but life is not perfect. We had to sacrifice a lot of things to get it. But I don't want to talk about that anymore. Look at you. You look fantastic. You're so beautiful. I can't believe it.
Thank you. Now I have to work. I have a lot of things to clean, sir. I mean, Charles.
I told you to call me Charlie. And you don't have to work today. Why don't we go out? I mean, today is a beautiful day, and I want to go to the movies. Do you like it? I mean, the movies. I used to go with Agatha when we were younger, but we don't anymore.
I love going to the movies, but I can't go. I have to work. I have to clean the house.
Oh, you can clean that later. Life is short. There's a movie theater near here, and there's a great movie I have been waiting to see. And you look fantastic. I mean, you have dazzled me. You have beautiful eyes and a beautiful smile, too. Has anyone ever told you that? And of course, your hair looks fantastic. Are you a top model?
Oh, thank you, sir. I mean, Charles. Oh, Charlie. Sorry.
That's okay. I love your smile. Do I make you nervous?
Yeah, a little. I really would like to go, but I don't think that's correct.
Why do you say that? We're family, right? I mean, you and me are not family. Luckily. But my wife is your cousin. We can go out together. Agatha will never know. She's never at home. I am sure she will come home very late today, as usual. So we can go to the movies and maybe to drink something after that, if you want.
I don't know. I don't think it's appropriate. Your wife.
Oh, come on. Maybe some other day we could go with your daughter. I'm sure she needs a lot of things for the school. Well, I can buy those things for her.
Oh, you're so kind. All right. I think just for a moment. I'll go get my purse and we'll go.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Wow, she's so beautiful. I can't believe it. What? Why are you looking at me like that? Do you want to see the rest of this story? Well, like the video and comment. Linda, are you ready? Linda?
I hope you really liked this conversation. If you could improve your English and practice a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.